Siyempre, maging masaya kami sa panalo namin ngayon at naka-recover kami dun sa last game namin in 5 sets. So, siyempre, ang mindset lang, yung game ngayon. So, wala mo nang ibang iisipin. Nag-focus lang kami na makuha namin yung panalo today. So, masaya kami at nakuha namin yung trabaho na maganda ngayon.
Thank you, Coach. And for thoughts in our recovery win for Creamline and also boosting your semis bid at the same time, ano lang masasabi niyo sa naging performance ng team?
Yeah, just like what Coach said, it's good for the team and we're happy na nanalo kami today. And it's good that we have this kind of game preparation for next games namin. And we're really excited to play our next game. So, training muna ulit kami.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, touch nyo na lang sa endurance ng team since every time na natatalo, next game, kaya mag-bounce back.
Yeah, number one naman talaga yung endurance ng team, kung pagod na ba. Pero sa tingin ko, yung team namin, hindi pa naman pagod eh. Yun yung number one na tinitignan namin palagi naman. Maging 100% sila sa every game. Sa every game, maging 100%. So, kaso ngayon, medyo limit yung substitution. So, I think hindi rin naman napagod. Yung pressure nandiyan, pero mga veterano na yung mga player namin, sanay na sa pressure.
Congratulations!
We also have We also have our best player of the game here, Eliza Valdez, with 11 points. Atila, yun nga, bounce back win for Creamline. Gumana na rin talaga yung teamwork ng Team Talent against Nextlet. Anong masasabi niyo sa naging performance niyo?
We're very, very happy. I think more than the win, it's more of, yun na-remind kami kanina din ng coach na we have to find ourselves here in this game also and in this conference. And we're slowly building that confidence and really finding who we are back again. And I think that's the most important thing, most especially medyo interesting and exciting games yung mga next games namin. So kailangan namin makita yung mga sarili namin and yung confidence. So yun, since we're veteran team, it's more than just the skills, it's more of really playing it all out there, no matter kung sino kalaban. So we're very, very happy to slowly, gradually finding ourselves.
For the players and kay coach, coming off yung medyo heartbreak nga ng 5-setter loss recently, and then may dikit na moments dito sa current game. So parang ano lang po siguro yung motivations yung coming into this game para makabounce back na.
Isa lang naman yung mindset namin, makuha yung panalo ngayon, makita, sabi nga nila, makita yung Dreamline team na kung paano maglaro. So, yun lang yung mindset. Yung ibang games, mga previews or yung next games, kalimutan na muna. So, dito lang kami talaga nakapokus. So, sa Thursday, magandang laro yung magpe-prepare mo na kami in 3 days. So, yun lang naman. Wala masyadong iniisip.
How about sa players?
Hindi naman.
Motivations lang para sa bounce back win today.
Yun, lagi lang din kami nire-remind ni Coach na simple lang naman yung volleyball, huwag namin pahirapan. So, yun yung lagi namin na inuulit, nag-enjoy kami and just play your game. And yun nga yung sabi ni Ate Lai, same points kanina. And we're happy na nakapaglaro talaga kami ng maayos today.
We'll take it. I think we'll take the win and we'll take the learnings, but definitely, ayun, for sure, dami na naman nakita sila coaches na ayusin. Pero yung motivation talaga namin, I think, most definitely out of all the seasons, ito yung isa sa mga games na talaga, we were there and we were happy. So, yun yung win namin din today.
After yung straight sets nyo today, pupukan na naman po yung next game nyo against Chocomucho. So parang how does this win help na hinahanap niyo yung tunay na curve line in today's game?
We're ready naman palagi kung ano situation na mangyayari sa Choco. So yun yung number one dyan. Kasi wala namang makapagsabi kung ano yung mangyayari sa game namin sa Choco. Pero ready kami kahit anong situations mangyayari.
Well, literal na one game, one day at a time, one training at a time. Kasi yun nga, sabi namin, maganda nga yung meron kami ganong experience na naman kanina, ganong situations, iba't ibang situations. So magandang preparation yan for the next games. And yun nga, sabi ko, lagi ko sinasabi, hindi natin alam lagi kung ano magiging sitwasyon every game, sino mananalo every game unless it's done. So we're really gonna take it one point at a time.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Adelaide. Congrats po.